Hello all of you, welcome back to this YouTube channel. Today in this video we are going to study about the friction stir welding. Friction stir welding is a solid state welding process that was developed as an innovative method for joining metals, particularly aluminium and its alloys. तो ये जो फिगर है यहाँ पे आप देख सकते हैं, ये दो मेटल है. This is the metal 1, this is the metal 2. Means the same plate, we can say the similar welding process is there. So here you can see a overview of friction stir welding process. So these two are plates, okay, we can say the aluminum alloy plates, okay, in different grades, 1000 series, 5000 series, 7000 series. So this is the similar welding process, and also different welding process are also carried out, like 6000 series to 2000 series, that is known as the dissimilar welding process. So here you can see for a friction stir welding, तो एक टूल होता है, this is your tool, this is your tool, and you can see this this portion, small pin is there, that is known as the tool pin, okay, and this is the solder of the pin, you can see here, this is the solder of the tool, okay. In friction stir welding, this process is carried out in, we can say, the CNC machine or the milling machines. So here you can see the tool is rotated by the help of motor, the tool is rotated, or we can say by the help of a spindle, the tool is rotated, okay. So here a force is applying, is known as the downward force, that's why the temperature will be created and the suitable pressure will be maintained, okay. So here you can see this is the retreating side जो कि आपका लोअर सीट है, एंड दिस इज द एडवांसिंग साइड जो कि आपका अपर सीट है. यहाँ पे दिया गया है दो सीट्स जो कि लैप जॉइंट है ये, और बॉड जॉइंट भी होता है. क्या हुआ है इसमें, जो कि पहले इनिशियल पोजीशन में टूल यहाँ पे था, यहाँ पे आपका टूल था इनिशियल पोजीशन में, ओके. इसको जब रोटेशन दिया गया यहाँ से यहाँ तक गया, ये देख सकते हैं, ये आपका पिन है, ये आपका टूल का पिन है. Thus the help of the downward force, the pin will be enter inside the plate, then it will be rotate, and by plugging this metal it will enter inside the metal, okay. Then there is a force, we can say the traverse force, like this direction. So traverse force applying on this tool, then this tool is move here to here, then a particular pressure is applied on the tool and the tool is rotated. Due to the rotation of the tool, the high temperature and pressure is created, so that's why it is able to weld the metal. How can it will be weld? Just when it rotates, it deposits the metals from retreating side to advancing sides, so it carry the metals, the microstructural metals from this retreating sides to the advancing sides, and before the melting point it is able to weld in solid state, okay. So you can see this to this the welding is done. After welding, a hole is left at the end of the weld, so that is one defect we can say in friction stir welding. So here you can see in friction stir welding there are different advantages over the fusion welding process, or we can say the traditional welding process. So here you can see the friction stir welding is reduce the distortion, improves mechanical properties, compatibility with different materials, and environmental friendly भी होता है. So you can see this diagram. So here what happened, this is the retreating side, This side is known as the retreating side, this side, and this side is known as the advancing side. When this is the pin, you can see this is the pin which is flung inside the metal, and this is the solder. You can see this is the solder of the tool. So this is the welding direction, here to here, this is the welding direction. So a downward force is acting on the tool, upper side of the tool, and the tool also rotates like this. Tool itself rotate, and traversing speed also done at the same time. So friction stir welding occurs in the solid state before the melting point. You can see retreating side and the advancing side. What happen when the tool rotates at the retreating side? The metals are carried out from this side to this advancing side, and in advancing side it deposits the metals, and like this the welding process is done by the help of the rotation and the axial force done by the tool at the upper side. Then a high pressure is generated. For this high pressure, the temperature is generated. Due to this temperature, in this zone the welding is done before the melting point. So here you can see. So here you can see when it will be go from here to here, then an exit hole you will find here when the tool is lift off. Okay, that's the defect of friction stir welding. Another is what large downward force is required, heavy duty clamping is required, and less flexible than manual and arc welding process होता है. Often slower traverse rate, यहाँ पे आप देख सकते हैं जो कि ट्रावर्स रेट होता है, यहाँ से यहाँ तक जो टूल जाता है वो स्लोली जाता है. वो एक डिसएडवांटेजेस है फ्रिक्शन स्टर वेल्डिंग का.